in protest of that my guru has been poisoned. For 7 days we were kept inside the prison. All those persons are, few people are still, Ranjan Dwivedi was also with me. I was the leader of the team, a few sannyasis. After coming from there was a press conference. In the press conference, we wanted to tell how Baba is tortured inside the jail, how he was poisoned, and why he is fasting. There were 3 things. Well, this was my first international press conference. I was afraid. Those days there was no media. Only CBS, Columbia Broadcasting was there. Even Ranjan Dwivedi and all Margis Tyagi, Professor Tyagi, all the 50%, they wanted me to speak. One girl, around 30 years old, she was from BBC, London News. I forget his name, and some Washington Post, AP, UNI, PTI, all were there present. Now I am little disturbed because I am addressing a press conference. I had not seen such a big camera of Columbia Broadcasting Company taking like this. I told simply how our master has been poisoned and how he is suffering inside the jail and why we have courted arrest in Bakipur jail, in Tihar jail. Then Tihar Central jail.
You were in the
Delhi jail.
Delhi Tihar.
I am actually Delhi. I'm telling you, Delhi jail.
There are many jails.
B.M. Sinha was one who was a Margi and he was Indian Express chief reporter. So, in course of talking, Baba wanted his prachar or what I do not know. All of a sudden that BBC on B or something, that girl name was there, she stood with a small camera, clicked and said, well Swami, is it true that your Guru is the incarnation of Lord Shiva and Lord Krishna? You people brand him as the incarnation of Lord Krishna and Lord Shiva. And he is languishing in the jail. And as we have got the report, soon he will be leaving his physical body. He has become so weak by fasting. It was a bit hurting to me. So I said, I just closed my eyes and I said, do you want this report? Because I was press reporter also during my college career in the University, Patna University. I was writing news and other. Then I said, this is not the subject. I have come to tell you why we quoted arrest, how our Gurudev is suffering, how my sannyasis, they self-emulated themselves. This I have come to tell you. This is not the subject. Everybody likes his Guru, considers he is the incarnation of God. I cannot shut the mouth of the devotees. I cannot shut them. They also call my Baba is incarnation of Lord Krishna, Lord Shiva. What actually you want to know? I sat, tears were in my eyes because I was quite young then. I said, is it it off the record or on the record. In press language, we have two things. Off the record is there, it means you will not print. And on the record, you will print. Bola off the record. Indian journalists were very much happy because Uma Sarkar had a very dirty press conference he had earlier. Then कोई झोंका आया, कोई गुरु की कृपा हुई, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि I am not that what I am, not that Nirmohanand. He said, listen, I am a boy of 35 years, less than that. I have dedicated my life when I was just 22. And I met a personality. He who was all-knowing entity, who knew all the science of sciences, who was most mysterious personality, mystery of the mysteries. Who was all-knowing entity, who knew all the dialects of the world, who knew all the languages of the world, who knew all the origin of the civilization, maybe Mesopotamian civilization, Egypt civilization, or Roman civilization, all civilizations he knows. Still he is unknown because he is lined with a dhoti kurta and so simple, having known him before. What should I call him? Who knows everything, each and everything, present, past and future. What should I call him? Should I call him God or anything? There was silence. Silence was not because of me. Baba created an environment. They were talking what this young boy is telling. Then, now considering whether he was incarnation of Lord Krishna and Lord Shiva, because glory of the Lord Krishna and Lord Shiva has been come in the paper and we listen, therefore you say Lord Shiva was great and Krishna was great. This glory is yet to be written. I am the disciple of Lord Anandamurti. Here I am sitting and I have full confidence my Guru won't die. वो बोला मर जाएंगे गुरु, एपी वाला बदमाश का साला बोला कि गुरु मर जाएंगे. हमने कहा I just closed my eyes, tears rolled down from my cheeks. Now I tell you one thing. मैं खोजी हूँ. I would not have surrendered and dedicated even my life in person like that. I met a gentleman who is very much particular about his routine and duty. We used to go Jamalpur. He was Arun, your Surupanand. I see that he has stopped anybody going to him while he is going to office with one tiffin carrier in the hand and one umbrella over this and the Jamalpur hot season. Sweat is coming and he is removing like this and going. Yet people do not know who is this great man. And his behavior is most compact and but knows everything. This attracted me and many others. Who has told not to do prachar in Jamalpur? Who has asked us not to ask anyone to take initiation? No initiation. If at all you want somebody to be initiated, then you ask permission, physical permission from Baba. Baba, ये अमुक अमुक आदमी को दीक्षा दे दूँ. Yes, they go outside. So, this affected. There were two gentlemen. One was Dunia Lal, SP, now retired. Another was Rajdev Singh. I was student. So Rajdev Singh was the chief of the crime branch, state police, and Duniya Lal was the SP of Munger. One of the Daroga ji was Margi, devotee of Baba. So Duniya Lal said, hey, go and tell your guru that I want to see him. We have come, we want to see him. He came by cycle. Those days Pranab Kumar Chatterjee was there, the general secretary. The entire office was in his pocket. Anand Mar, just it has begun. He went, दादा हमारे एसपी साहब कहते हैं कि राजदेव सिंह आए हुए हैं, उनको मिलेंगे. Pranab Kumar Chatterjee never knew Hindi. He went to Baba and he said, Baba, वो आई है दो पुलिस अफसर आई है, वो आई ऐसे ही बोलते थे, वो आपसे मिलना चाहती है. बस चाहते हैं. बाबा बोले चाहते हैं, तेज कर दिए, वो शिफ्ट करना. आप बोलो क्या बात है. बाबा वो दोनों आपका दर्शन चाहता है. वो मार्गी है नहीं. तो देखो जी, ये तो सिंपल बात है. मैं तो मार्गी को दर्शन देता हूँ. आदि आनंद मूर्ति में तो मार्गी से मिलता हूँ और लोगों से दीक्षा ले, साधना करें तब आए. So this was conveyed to the sub-inspector. Sub-inspector and bold and told Duniya Lal जी को एसपी को, सर हमारा जनरल सेक्रेटरी बोला कि आप नहीं मिल सकते. बोला आज दुनिया लाल एसपी, I will see Anand Murthy today, and Anand Murthy ji has to give me darshan. बाबा के जमालपुर ऑफिस से आने पर एक छोटा सा बहुत पक्का रोड है, दोनों बगल कुछ नहीं है. उसी रोड से बाबा 5 बजे शाम को जमालपुर से आते थे. बीच में, रोड के बीच में बाबा को पकड़ ले, इसके लिए जीप खड़ा कर दिया. और दुनिया लाल एसपी बाएं साइड में और राजदेव सिंह दाहिने साइड में. दोनों एसपी, एक तो रिया जी रहेगा, हाँ, और दोनों ऐसे से परेड कर रहा है, माने इधर से निकल ना जाए, और वो भी कर रहा है. 5 बजा, 5:30 हुआ, 6 हुआ, 7 हुआ. बाबा की आदत थी सीधे वहां से सायरन बजा, फिर बाबा रुकते नहीं थे अपना उसमें. He used to come to जमालपुर आश्रम to give us darshan, to his duty. अब दोनों दौड़ रहे हैं. जब 6:30 7 हो गया तो राजदेव सिंह was a moralist. He said, ये बाबा कहाँ गया, आया क्यों नहीं. बोला बाबा क्यों नहीं आया. वो गया और जो दरबान होता है ना गेट पर, उससे पूछा, अरे सरकार साहब कहाँ हैं, सरकार साहब कहाँ हैं आप, हुजूर 7:30 बजे पूछते हैं. वो तो 5 बजे वो सायरन होता है और निकल जाते हैं. वो कभी रुकते नहीं ऑफिस में. तो दोनों का माथा ठंडा. तो ये अपना चले गए और गेस्ट हाउस में उन्होंने बुलाया. ही कॉल्ड दैट सब इंस्पेक्टर. अरे भाई क्या तुम गुरुदेव से पूछ के आए, बोले कि नहीं मिलेंगे. वो सरकार साहब कैसे चले गए, जादूगर हैं क्या. आया, बोला दादा वो लोग अभी तक 7:30 बजे तक था. बाबा मुस्कुराए. बाबा जाने ही वाले थे. बाबा बोले देखो जी मैं क्या करूं, मैं जब आया एक का मुंह उधर हो गया, दूसरे का मुंह उधर. मैं तो आया रोड से. एक आदमी कैसे बाबा को उधर हो गया, मैं तो उसी रोड से आया, दूसरा तो कोई रोड नहीं. राजदेव सिंह के माथे में गया. मॉडलिस्ट आदमी था, पुलिस अफसर. वो रोया, दुनिया लाल तू करप्ट आदमी है. दूसरा एसपी को डांटा, अपना बड़ा अफसर था, करप्ट आदमी है, तुम्हारे घर आने बाबा का दर्शन नहीं हुआ हमको. बोला हुजूर तो गए उसी रास्ते से. उसी रास्ते से आनंद मूर्ति जी गए. तब उसको राजदेव सिंह को ने कहा मैं आनंद मूर्ति से दीक्षा लेना चाहता हूँ. फिर ये बेचारा दरोगा जो है साइकिल पर टू करते गया, जमालपुर का दरोगा. जीएस बोला क्या कहना है. बोला बाबा से कल सवेरे आवे तो कहा कि ये दीक्षा लेना चाहते. खुश हो रहा. फिर सवेरे आया तो जीएस बोला बाबा वो बोलती है वो हिंदी अंग्रेजी उसी बोलते बोलती है कि दीक्षा लेंगे राजदेव से। बाबा बोले मैं तो दीक्षा देता नहीं हूँ, आचार्य दीक्षा देता है, उससे ले साधना करे। एक राजदेव तो ठीक है, दूसरा महान अहंकारी घुसखोर है जो वहां का मुंगेर का एसपी था। नहीं दिए राजदेव, चाहे हम लेंगे उन्हीं से लेंगे। एंड आई वॉज क्लोज टू राजदेव जी फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजन, भतीजा जैसा मानते थे, गो टू विद सर्टेन कनेक्शंस। सो दिस इज वन पर्सनैलिटी। अनदर थिंग, उस व्यक्ति को, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बाबा, आई हैव नो वर्ड्स टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट ही इज। ही नेवर बॉदर्ड हु इज व्हाट। हमको कौन गाली बकेगा, हमको कोई लाइक करेगा नहीं लाइक करेगा, ऐसे ऑर्डर गाली। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वन ऑफ द वर्कर इन बाबतपुर हवाई अड्डा in Banaras. His name was Leelanand. Still he is there. He has left Anandmarg, but he is leader of PU in Samsar Samaj. Baba called him and took him on the ran that side and took a lathi of an avdut and started beating there right at the airport.
बाबा
उसको कोई चिंता नहीं है कौन क्या कर रहा है। लोग बोला कि भाई एयरपोर्ट है, आप उधर रनवे पर ले जाकर पिटाई कर रहे हैं। अब तो बाबा 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 He is still there. He was our friend. माने में कलिक बहुत जूनियर था पर कलिक। किसको पीटा किसको मारा, जिस समय मूड आ गया। He was not a man. He was not God as well. He was the creator of God and creator of man. He was not man also. Man को तो कोई होता है ना अपना feeling. How he went to the overseas trip, and it seems Switzerland and in Europe, he was having a malmal kurta. Everybody was shivering, minus temperature is going down, and Baba is walking.
And dhoti.
हाँ, कहाँ पर थे?
Switzerland.
Yes, Switzerland.
Geneva.
And that was the history.
Geneva.
Huh?
And no socks. No socks.
No, nothing.
No socks.
So can you call him a man or even a god? God also having so much thing warping all around. अभी का जो गॉड आइडल गॉड्स होती हैं उनको तो देख लो क्या क्या चढ़ाया जाता है वृंदावन में और में। He is not bothered. Another thing I will tell you, how mysterious he was. When Baba was
राजदेव सिंह का क्या हुआ? दीक्षा हुआ? दीक्षा
हाँ?
लिया? राजदेव सिंह दीक्षा लिया कि नहीं?
नहीं लिया,
नहीं लिया।
वो काम हमने से लूंगा। हमसे भोजपुरी में बात भी हुई, हमको बोला ना बहुआ हम तो ले तो गड़े से ले,
अच्छा।
हम उन्हीं से लेंगे। और दुनिया लोग को बहुत डांटा, तुम्हारे कारण ऐसा हुआ, तुम अहंकार कर रहे थे, जीप खड़ा कर दिया बीच में जा रहा है, और तुम दोनों हम लोग लेफ्ट राइट कर रहे थे और 7:30 बज गया। 5 बजे छोड़ा, 2.5 घंटा हम दौड़ते रहे, मगर पकड़ नहीं पाए। मिस्ट्रीज 7:30 बज गया। नेक्स्ट, Baba was kind enough, kindest of the kind Mahapurush. One night, while he was in his Jamalpur room, a dog started weeping. So this sound came to him. Baba bahar aaye, he came out, and then he went back. And again that dog is crying. यहाँ से दौड़ रहा है। One of the person known of Avidya Tantric, who knew Baba, he has learnt Maran Mantra. Maran Mantra, no? Maran, Mohan, Vasikaran, Uchchatan. So Maran Mantra, if I have learned, I got the mastery, then I must test it. So he tested on that dog. And dog is a spell है, तांत्रिक स्पेल है, वो तो अलग बात करूंगा जब तांत्रिक की। तो दौड़ रहा है, चिल्ला रहा है। दूसरे दिन that dog was found dead. बाबा ने उसको बुला के इतना गाली डाला, जानवर वो उसमें जीव नहीं है। रात भर वो रोता रहा, दौड़ता रहा और अंत में मार दिया तुमने उसको। लानत है तुम्हारी ऐसी मारन मोहन वसीकरण सीखने। प्रभात दा आमा से भूल हो गया की भूल हो तुम्ही पशु से पशु तो नित्य क्या भूल क्या हुआ? तुमने प्रयोग किया कुत्ता को एक समझ करते हैं और वो भी कर रहा है। तुम पेड़ पर करते, पेड़ पर भी करते हैं लोग। तो मिथिला में तांत्रिक हैं जो पेड़ के ऊपर कर देंगे, हरा भरा पेड़ 1 मिनट में जल जाएगा। कई हम तो देखे हैं बहुत सा, हम बचपन से आनंद में आने के पहले सब करते थे, वो देखा
अभी करते थे
ना, हम ये नहीं करते थे, हम जाने हैं, हमने कभी नहीं।
आप ही बोले अभी ना,
थोड़ा बताइए यार।
क्या बोला?
अभी आप ही बोले कि पहले बचपन में हम करते थे।
वो नहीं, गुरु के सामने हो गया। Second, he was kind of the kindest. Now, it will take months together if I speak. During my student career till I became a sannyasi and after that, how Baba played his role as a simple guy. Our one senior, we were a student of Patna University. One senior managed Acharya Suresh. He is still there. He was an engineer. He was in engineering college, I was in PN college, Rosram was in law college, like that. So, that engineer was a great devotee of Baba. So, Baba while coming, काठ का फूल देखो ना जमालपुर में, काठ के फूल पर एक आदमी प्रणाम किया, बाबा जाय छियो, हाँ जाओ। गाड़ी पंजाब में 1.5 घंटा पहले आई है, ऐसा समझा उसने। तो इंजीनियर सुरेश ने कहा, बाबा क्या आप जा रहे हैं? आप रह जाइए ना, रह जाइए ना, ट्रेन तो आपकी चली गई होगी। बाबा ने जाओ। वो ट्रेन आगे बढ़े पीछे हटे, आगे बढ़े पीछे हटे, ट्रेन चली नहीं, खुली नहीं। आधा घंटा से अभ्यास कर रहा है ड्राइवर, सोचिए ट्रेन को रोकना, और जाके बैठ गया। बाबा बुलाए, हम भी थे स्टूडेंट में। बाबा कहे, छी 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 छी, साधक को निगेटिव नहीं बोलना चाहिए, तुम कैसे समझे कि ट्रेन चला जाएगा? बोले बाबा क्यों तुम ऐसा समझे, क्यों तुमने कहा कि ट्रेन चली जाएगी जल्दी जाएगी या नहीं जाएगा रुक जाएगी? जब मैंने उसको आशीर्वाद दिया जाओ, तो कोई दुनिया की ट्रेन नहीं थी जो उसको लेके जा सकती। Still the things rings on my ear. वो अनुभूतियां नहीं जा सकती। मैंने जब कह दिया, कभी कभी बोलते थे बाबा, मैंने जब कह दिया तो he was all knowing entity. He used to love only those persons are trying to follow yama niyama or aware of his mistakes. Two things are there. यम नियम पालन करना भी है, मगर हमसे भूल हो गई या हमसे भूल हो रही है, इसको भी अवेयरनेस है। उस आदमी को भाव बहुत प्यार करते हैं, वर्कर्स को वही हो गई। तो अब छोड़ो इस सब बातों को, नहीं बोलूंगा। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बाबा विद स्पीरियस पर्सनालिटी। अब हाउ मिस्टिकल ही वॉज। One Acharya was booked in 307 charge, that is attempt to murder, and he was a lawyer. 7 years he sold his land and he fought in the case. Trial. One day he went to Baba and said, Baba, किस जन्म का पनिशमेंट मिल रहा है हमको? मैं वकील हूँ, आई एम ए लॉयर, और हमारे ऊपर 307 की मुकदमा है। बाबा कहे, देखो जी, देखिए बाबा की कुछ कुछ बातें तो इरिटेटिंग हम लोग को भी लगती थी। परम पुरुष से कहो साधना में कि उसका मन ठीक कर दे, विड्रॉ कर दे। परम पुरुष से कहो, केस चल रहा है सेशन कोर्ट में, परम पुरुष से कहो। वो बेचारे चुप हो गए। अब गुरु की आज्ञा है परम पुरुष से कहो। परम पुरुष की तो उसने बात सुना नहीं, और केस में इनकी बीच हो गए थे। जगह बाबा को ग्रिट करने के लिए आचार्य थे आनंद मार्ग के। बाबा केस में हमारी विक्ट्री हो गई, आई गॉट द विक्ट्री। बाबा के आंख में टीयर्स। He said, Sakadeo, I have troubled you much. All these 7 years you have been fighting a case, spending money, selling off your properties. This was all your sanskar, Sakadeo. My Acharya told me that second lesson is very powerful. Guru. I had believed, but come believe. He was a robust personality, having long beard. Then he was initiated also in Kapalik. So one tantric came from Nepal. Hair completely shaven, robust, and 4 his disciples are sitting down. And he touches your hand and tells you present, past and future instantly. 100 rupees was the pay those time of a clerk. 100 rupees per month. And he used to charge 100 rupees to see the bhavish, the future. Then somebody told him that a tantric has come in the house of SDU. So please, you also visit. He said, my Acharya said, yes, I will visit. But his Acharya has told that second lesson has got powerful. Second lesson in Anand Mani is very powerful. But Baba said, तो गया दिन को डांट दिया वो, हाँ अभी चले आते हैं शाम के समय में. So he came back. Next day also, after taking bath and doing sadhana, he went. The moment he went, he misbehaved with him. Who? That tantric. चले आते हैं लेकर के, hey, I'm a lawyer. I'll slap you like anything, fellow. How dare you speak? You do not know how to behave. I'm a lawyer, criminal lawyer. You do not know how to behave.
He said to Tantric.
तांत्रिक को. अब वो तांत्रिक तो बहुत पावरफुल था. Then SDO came out. SDO was very powerful then. Sakadeva Babu, he is my guest. Why do you quarrel with him? Why do you quarrel with him? He said, sir, he does not know how to behave. Ask him to behave properly. Okay. Then he said that tantric. अब tantric is using all his mantra on him and he is sitting on the chair. Sir, what is the cost of this cot in which he is sitting? Said Sakadeva Babu, what we have to do with this? It is 8 rupees only. 8 rupees. Sir, 8 rupees is this. If I am the disciple of Anand Murti ji, with this cot he will go in the sky. And he will die. Now that man is immediately, he was afraid and he came down. Then he tried every way, and I asked my Acharya whether you were able to send him in the sky. He said never. It came out of my mouth. So Guru has to say my words. हम तो तिनका नहीं उड़ा सकते. A stroke and what about I can entire cot I will throw in the sky and then he will come. हम तिनका नहीं उड़ा सकते. And then he said, how much money you have earned from this Sutapatti Marwadis? Some 3,000 rupees. He has earned. He has already every day used to send it by Betia. side, he used to send that money to the Nepal. Then he said, listen, now I will, if you do not leave this place by today evening, then you will be blind. And thereafter, when he went to Baba, Baba said, Sakaldev, you are giving me much trouble. तुम क्या बोल दिए उसको? Then Baba said, मैं नहीं बोला, सकलदेव बाबू बोले, बाबा तुम बोले, मैं तो तिनका भी नहीं उठा सकता, हमारा आचार्य ने बोला सेकेंड लेसन में बहुत शक्ति है. The second lesson is more powerful. My acharya told me, and therefore I spoke this. Then Baba smiled. Baba smiled and Baba said, true. It is my duty that the disciples, if they speak something taking me above, I said, put it. तुम्हारे मुंह से कोई बात निकल गई इन द नेम ऑफ गुरु, तो वो उनकी रक्षा करेगी. निकल गई. जो पत्ता नहीं उड़ा सकता सो चौकी क्या उड़ाएगा, तंत्र क्या उड़ाएगा. And all the mantras which he had learned, Maran, Mohan, Vasikaran, Uchatan, he threw as a spell to him. Sakaldevji. And Sakaldevji was telling that you don't know what happened. I had two daughters. I had two daughters, three sons. One daughter, one of his grandchild is there in London. I am talking about him. So I was afraid that ये दुनिया इसको मानती है. Everybody likes him. So if I will do anything, he will kill me. But I knew my acharya had told me Guru Mantra, Guru Mantra, Guru Mantra. But this is not the thing which I wanted to tell you. I wanted to tell you that such a personality is not rare, but the rare of the rarest. Is not divine, but the embodiment of divine. Rather, he is divinity himself. Divine Vyaktatva, divinity we say. When he used to come, the weather, ऋतुएं बदल जाती थी. ऋतुएं बदल जाती.
No, we don't understand so much. Maybe you can speak.
What do you want to say?
Because we don't understand, maybe you can speak English.
Listen, you will not, I am talking something devotional and I am speaking in English. For you I have started speaking English. Other diseases are not, otherwise I thought to speak in Hindi, But then I am just explaining, so try to understand what I speak. Otherwise, after that you will meet me, I'll tell you everything, or meet some Dada. If those Dadas are there, you will meet everything. But this is the divine flow. It is not Nirmohananda speaking, it is something speaking inside him, and I have invoked my master, he is also your master, I invoke my Guru Anand Murti ji, and therefore I am talking about him, otherwise I have no power. Then, regarding language and dialects which he knew. Baba went to Bhopal DMS. Bhopal. At the airport, the plane was late. There are VIP lounge in airport. In that, Baba, we requested him to sit in that. Baba said, no, if I sit outside, then all marquees will come and they will be enjoying. One chief secretary is the government, biggest post, more than chief minister, he is not ordinary chief secretary of Bhopal, was also going by the same flight. And one Acharya, he was also IAS and he was secretary of PWD. He knew that he is the guru of this, my secretary. So he was seeing Shankaranand and all VSS, everything. So he was thinking, "Arey, kya hai? Ye log to what I'm seeing." Who was there? Then he asked Chitle ji. His name was Acharya Chitle. He is no more Acharya now. And he might have, expired. He was a very senior Acharya of Anandmarg. So he said, "Chitle, I feel loving your Guru." See the language. मैं तुम्हारे गुरु के प्रति मुझे प्यार जग रहा है, श्रद्धा जग रही है. Will you please allow me to talk to him, to have a parley with him? It is a very beautiful language. तुम्हारे और ज्यादा लोग क्यों नहीं आए? This is very bad. No. I will take this to this.
अब टाइम
Then Chitle says, "Sir, he is our guru. He has come. There was a Dharam Mahachakra. He has come." Then Chitle went to Baba. And earlier Baba to Bhagavan, he is a Lord. He said yes. He has smiled. Means no permission is needed. He went inside the VIP lawn and he sat. He said, "Baba, Pranam." Baba smiled. "Baba, is it true that you know all the languages of the world?" उसको इसी की चिंता थी कि बाबा सब भाषा जानते हैं. छत्तीसगढ़ी भी जानते हैं, राड़ी भी जानते हैं और नेवराज भाषा भी जानते हैं, सब भाषा जानते हैं. बाबा से, "Yes, by your grace I know all the dialects of the world." अब उसका माथा सीधे डाउन हो गया. All the dialects, 14 कोस के बाद भाषाओं की एक ही भाषा के लैंग्वेज बदल जाते हैं, बदल जाएंगे. एक मैथिली बोल रहे हो दूसरी जगह दूसरा हो जाएगा. एक मगही बोल रहे हो तो उसका दूसरी जगह से 14 कोस के बाद बाबा बोलते बदल जाता है. ऑल द डायलेक्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. वो इतना खुश हुआ और वो बोला, "चितले, आई एम चीफ सेक्रेटरी, IAS, दुनिया के बहुत लोगों से मिला. इतना जेंटिल, इतना सिंपल, सो जेंटिल, सो सिंपल. आई हैव नेवर सीन ए पर्सन. Truly he is Guru, he is master. Only by his talk, by your grace, I know all the dialects of the world." First languages, then he said that. Baba went to give deposition in Bakipur jail, court. Ab judge is a magistrate. "Sir, what language you would like to record your statement?" Baba said, "I prefer to speak Cambridge." There are two types of speech, Cambridge and Oxford. Oxford is known as English Oxonian. Those who follow Oxford language, they follow Oxonian and Cambridge. So Baba said, "I would prefer to speak in Cambridge, Cambridge English." And Baba recorded very slowly. Such a mystical personality was Baba. Everything inside him, but never exposed, never wanted to show others. When time comes, people will know. Another thing, the climate will change. Where you will find that you are sitting, if there is a scorching sun, if there is too much hot season, you will find slowly, yes.
Excuse me, time.
Huh?
Time is over.
No, it's
Time is up there.
time
little bit time is over.
One
Time is
minute.
up.
Very important.
Yeah, Dada conclude.
It's not my story, Dada.
Yeah.
Yes, very important. No
After
problem.
this-
Very good.
Don't worry.
Yes.
One minute,
So,
8 minutes.
the nature will change its course. I was talking to the Margis about neo-humanism. I never knew what neo-humanism is. So plainly I went to Baba. I was in Abdur. Baba, ये neo-humanism हमको समझ में नहीं आता है. Raghunath ji was talking about neo-humanism and our then General Secretary Sarvatmanand ji was understood. Baba called Sarvatmanand. Teach Nirmohanand ji neo-humanism. Then he gave 5-6 lectures, of course Sarvatmanand ji gave me. I could understand what is neo-humanism. Although I knew it, but Baba directed I. Thereafter one day I am seeing, it is Baba's birthday. We were in Tiljala. We went to Lake Garden. So that day, birthday is there. The morning our thing was there that after that we will come to the Lake Garden and Baba will not stop his reporting or anything because it is his birthday. So that day was reporting also. So we went. Then Baba used to give garden darshan, garden meeting. In that garden meeting, Margis will go. 5-6 Margis, Didi, Dada, they will go. That day I was with Baba. Still when I am in seminar, I speak this, that how Baba tells. He is going to the plants, which is kept there, and he says, Tomra bhalo ho, tomra bhalo baso, tomra bhalo acho to. He is talking. Are you well? Nothing. And those plants doing like this, like this, like this, like this. This was a miracle to me. Still, even in Taiwan, I spoke in one of my lectures that this is called neo-humanism. That seeing Baba, even the plants and the flower and flora and fauna feel this and glorified that Anand Mukti just come. And he is doing like this. People ask me, what do you get after your dedication? I said, I do not know as yet. I have lost my that side also memory. I do not know how far I have gone up or where I am standing with all the crocodiles in the world. How far I am there. But I know one thing, that I got a master which I would not have got in many thousands of years. That is the benefit after joining Anand Marg and becoming a man. Not much. I do not know where I stand, what I would have become, an IAS, IPS or educated or not this or said he, nothing is there. I know only one thing, that I got the glimpses of a master. And I am proud of telling that I am the disciple of Lord Anandamurti Ji. We are. So, well, what to say? The subject is 10% I have dealt with, which I started to tell, only 10%, and 90% leaves untold about Baba.
Wow.
The majestic, the person. Ha, Dada?
I have a humble solution.
Yes.
Evening.
Not only for us,
Ha,
but for the future generation.
ha.
If you can recall
Right.
your experiences in Baba,
Yes.
that will be a wonderful thing.
It will be
And
so.
I take the responsibility to publish it.
I tell you frankly, I was a simple guy, and Pranavatanganandi, who was looking after archives, took my 210 experiences,
Oh no.
and I gave one word, that these things should not be published without my permission. But few things are coming in other people are writing about this and given by the archives. And I asked him to give me my statement, my photographs are there, in which I asked him. Now my memory is being fainted, because of my age, 72, 73, but I also feel that I am doing crime. Yesterday, people also told me, why you are not writing all this, your experiences with Baba, without adding salt and sugar, without adding, say, I was there and that was there. No. It should be free, and then people will know what. But he was a personality One word I will tell you. Huh? Majestic personality. When he used to walk, we used to feel proud after being backsides calling Baba is walking. The line is going and we are passed. No fear, no spell of Prakriti. No virtues come when you are with Lord and you are moving with the Lord. No virtues will haunt you, no virtue will touch you. Such was our master. Our master is. That is the benefit of dedication. Nothing else. I do not know. Many things have been soiled, many things have been disrupted, many things have been mixed with here and there because of selfish sin of some people. But what Baba wanted to us, I do not know how far it will become. It is. Anyway, thank you so much.
Baba ki
Jai.
So, thank you to Dadaji for inspiring us. And now there will be the reporting. So please be seated. Don't move up, in and out.